One simple trick to tell you when to buy in this stock. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about money mindset and strategy. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to get to financial freedom faster or if you want to increase your ROI. Okay, so look at this stock, CCL. By the way, this channel is not about financial advisor. This is for education and just for sharing purpose. So one of my friends asked me, what do I think about CCL? He has some CCL stock basically, okay? I don't hold any of this stock. So you can look at, this is the RSI below here. You see the RSI drop below 70. If you have watched my video about the RSI strategy, you will understand when I say RSI drop below 70, bing, this is one of the selling point. So basically this day, this red candle is one of our selling signal. And some people will say, how come they go up again? They go even more than the previous peak. So I give you one strategy to buy with RSI also. So this strategy is still valid. When they drop below 70, yes, the price will go down because it's oversell signal here, okay? But sometimes some very strong stock, for example, Tesla or Nvidia or even Bitcoin, they will continuously have RSI over 70, okay? So what happened is the stock will still go way higher than right now, okay? So what happened, how to buy with this kind of RSI divergence or RSI oversold already, how to buy in. So one of the strategy, we can still use the RSI. So you can see when the RSI drop below 70, you can see this candle basically drop 7.59%. Okay, this is a big drop. So myself, if let's say if I hold this stock, I will sell this stock in the early morning. Okay, and what happened is with the RSI strategy. So when it's over 70, this area is RSI over 70. Okay, so this candle is the highest candle. So afterward, when they go above this candle, we can buy back. Okay, so basically this candle we can buy back. This is one of the signal. Signal 2 is you can see another easy way to see this is you can see a gap here. That's what I say to my friend, like this is one of the support area because they get up, they jump up. So there's a force to jump up. So let's say, so this gap is from 13.39 to 13.84, okay? So there's another strategy called gap strategy. So you can see this candle just slightly touch this upper band, okay? It doesn't go all the way down. If they go all the way down, you mean this support become the resistance. So with our strategy, you can buy back at this candle. Okay, so we have different strategy. We have a system to help you to trade stock more efficiently. You don't need to panic. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? For example, the CCL stock, I use different strategy. I want to show you how to analyze this stock. This is only on the daily chart. You can also use it for the weekly chart. Okay, this zone, this is red zone. When it's red zone, it's very strong trend. So we have strategy called free buy, free sell with this indicator. So for example, at this candle, basically it flashed one buying strategy. Basically, it hit our buying strategy. So free buy, so free buying strategy. This is one of our buying strategy. So enroll my free webinar, I will explain you more. So this is very easy one to see. This is still a strong trend. We can still hold it. So for example, this is also with one of the way to tell us this is a strong stock, okay? It's not, the fund is still there. Okay, I want to show you what happened with the S&P 500. Is it still strong or is it giving us opportunity or this is risky to hold S&P right now? So you can see this is the red zone. We are still in the red zone. So we are still in the strong trend. Yes, pull back, but with our strategy, this one is one of my buying strategies. So you will buy back here. This is S&P 500 index. So you mean the market is still okay. So Tesla, one of our favorite stock. So you can see also here, Tesla, when they hit this, it also on this candle basically Wow, this candle basically is also one of our buying signal, okay? This candle. But of course, we need to know how to cut loss, like in case they go opposite direction. Remember, all the indicator is just it's never there's one thing can tell you 100%. You need to have a backup plan. What if they go opposite direction? So where is the cut loss price? So you need to limit the loss. Okay, so of course, the gain you don't need to limit. You always need to limit the loss. What happens is when some people buy some stock, the stock go opposite direction. They go lower and lower, lower. Most of people, they haven't taken any classes, no strategy. They will just keep buying. Oh, it go lower. Okay, let's lower the price. Okay, let's buy more. So the average buying price is lower. And then they go lower and lower and lower. Remember, when the bear market happened, basically it could happen for over 1 year. Okay, so it could be quite painful for you to hold this stock. Do you agree with me? So that's why we need to have strategy and understand what is the trend right now. Are we still in the strong trend? How to read this kind of indicator? So back to this Tesla. So I have different strategy to teach you how to buy with this kind of stock. So when we buy stock, also you need to compare which stock is stronger, right? One is go up 8%, and another one go up 3%. And okay, you bought the 3% one. You say, oh, you're very happy you bought 3%. Yeah, but what if S&P go up by 5%? So basically, you still a bit behind the market. Okay, so if you want to get to financial freedom, you need to get better than the average market. Do you agree with me? So for example, Tesla compared to the last stock I show you. So where's the gap? You can see the gap here clearly. There's a gap here. So with our strategy, you can tell this Tesla is less strong than the last stock because this candle go below this upper band. Okay, the last stock, the body did not touch the upper band, just the wick. Okay, so this is a different. That's why it go up a bit less than the last stock. But here, I'm not your financial advisor. Please advise with your financial advisor before you do any trade. I just teach you how to look at the stock. Okay, and here you can see the RSI below 70 here, but it hasn't go back yet above this point. Okay, so this is one of the strategy. But if you look at this strategy, basically they have one buying signal, but we also will set a cut loss price somewhere here. Okay, because well, there's some reason I will tell you in the class. Okay, so this is a very easy strategy to buy, to sell. And I have another strategy called for long investor. So long investor look at this free line, easy. So this free line can tell you where to buy, where to sell, and when to cut loss. So you can see this free line is still going upward. So it can tell us right now we are still in the uptrend. So the direction, the slope can tell us this is a bull market. Okay, when the slope go down, this is a bear market. This is very easy because everyone can tell. But right now with this, so it's very safe. We just keep it because the cut loss price is basically quite below here. So for the long-term investor, if you are a long-term investor, you can still keep this stock. So they are less fluctuate, less frequent to trade the stock basically. So you need to know your strategy, which one is more suitable for your personality and for your risk management. Okay, so today is my sharing. I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar. See you next time. Bye bye.